Hello everyone, welcome to the networking practical series. In the previous practical, we saw how we create a network between two PCs. Today we will see how we can create a small network having 5 PCs with a switch. So let us first select a switch. So here we click here, and this is the first one. This is a switch 2960. Then we select the PCs. So we keep one PC here. So we select 5 PCs. We can assume this as a LAN, a small local area network. So this is the 4th one, and then the 5th one. So this is how we keep the components. Now we need to connect them. So for connecting, we click on this wires, and here we need to select this wire copper straight through. So when we click on this switch 0, you can see there are so many interfaces, console as well as fast Ethernet 01, 02 up to 024, and then gigabit Ethernet 01 and 02. So we can connect any of this, either fast Ethernet or gigabit Ethernet. So I'll select this, okay, and connect this with fast Ethernet 0. Then again click here, select any of the fast Ethernet and connect with this fast Ethernet. We do the same thing for all the other PCs. Now next step is to assign the IP addresses to each and every PC. So let us click on this PC 0 and desktop IP configuration. So I click here and type 10.0.0.2, okay, and this will come automatically as we see in the previous video. And this, click here, desktop. So this is 10.0.0.3. this will come automatically. This is 10.0.0.4. this is 5, 10.0.0.5. and finally this is 10.0.0.6. So we are done with the IP configuration. Now let us check the connectivity. So I click on this PC 0 and command prompt, and then type the command ping and type the IP address of any other PC. So 10.0.0. let us say I will just type 3. So I am getting the reply. We can do the same thing for .4. So we are getting the reply for .4 also, and similarly we will get for any other PC. So this is how we create a network. Now we can also go into the simulation mode. I'll just click on this simulation mode and click on this packet from PC 0 to, let us say, this PC, and just run this simulation. So now the packets, they are traveling from PC 0 to the switch, and then since the switch is not knowing where the device would be, so it is sending to all the other PCs. Now PC 3 will only reply because the packet is only for that particular destination. All the other PCs will reject that. So as you can see, we get it, the reply is, we get back the reply. The second packet is sent, and it goes to the proper destination, and then we get the reply again from that PC 3, the destination, and hence we get this successful. So this is how we perform this practical. So that's all for this particular session. Thanks for watching.